lot of plants are dying in cyclone. Like big, fully grown plants die because
dying.
of that. So, is there any technique?
This is something which I really feel that the Calcutta Corporation can do. Like they always chop the trees from the sides. They especially do it for the Durga Puja idols to not get brushed by the trees. And I would also recommend them to like chop it off from the top.
Okay.
Of course, उसमें एक downside है कि if you chop it off from the top, there are high chances that fungus लग गया, some disease might hit the plant.
Okay.
But if we just chop it off from the top and just put some medication, what will happen is the weight of the plant will not be on the top.
All right.
The main trunk will get leaner, right? If we just chop it from the side and the top is there, the trunk will not be able to bear the weight of the top part of it.
Right.
If you just chop it off from the top as well, what will happen? The proportion of the trunk and the top layer will be more or less equal. The plant will become will grow horizontally rather than vertically, which will in turn not allow the plant to
Fall off during cyclone.
During cyclone.